Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Normal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of a limited edition version of the Oppo F5, the dashing blue variant. So this was announced today by Oppo in India, and this will retail for 19,999, and this is also a limited edition version, and this has the blue color. So last year also Oppo had released the red variant of the Oppo F3. Now we have the blue variant. This is called the dashing blue variant. So in this video we'll do a quick unboxing of this device. We'll show you what all it comes in the box, and we'll see how good is the blue variant. So this is the box packing of the Oppo F5. So we're not really sure about whether this is the retail box pack, because so the box pack which we received is from Vietnam. You can see the Oppo mobile.vn, that's a Vietnam box pack. So how different the Indian retail unit will be, we are not really sure about that. Now coming back to the box pack, let's open this and see how good the device is in terms of the blue color. So opening up, you can see the Oppo F5 in blue variant. So this is the dashing blue variant. So there you go. So looks really good. You can see how good the finishing is. It's a glossy finish and well built in terms of the looks. So if you're particular about looks, this is definitely one of the good devices in terms of the looks alone in sub 20k price segment. So let's just peel off this. So you can see this is the dashing blue variant. So it has the 16 megapixel camera, fingerprint scanner, and 20 megapixel front facing camera. That's the highlight of this device. So it has a really good selfie camera, and this is probably the first selfie smartphone with artificial intelligence enabled. So that we have already discussed in our reviews. So let's see what else comes inside the box. So opening up, you can see there is a SIM ejector pin included, and you get a really great casing, a back cover with this device. So this looks really good. You can see the Oppo branding, the fingerprint scanner, and the camera opening, and this finishing looks really good. It's a great quality back cover included, and looks really nice. And we have this Oppo information guide and a quick start guide, and then we have the travel adapter. 5 volt 2 ampere is a travel adapter, and in the box you also get a USB cable. It's a standard micro USB cable, and earphone included. This was the case with the retail unit of Oppo as well. So that's all inside the box. Now let's see the device. So that's the Oppo F5 in blue color, and it looks really good, and the build quality looks pretty good. And this has a 6-inch Full HD Plus resolution display. It is an 18:9 aspect ratio display, and it is powered by the MediaTek MT6763 octa-core chipset. We have 4 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of storage, and this is expandable. And on the software front, we have Android 7.1 Nougat out of the box, and you get this Color OS, that's version 3.2. You can see it's having 20.7 gigabyte storage available out of the box. So that's the Oppo F5 blue variant. So this will go on sale in India on Feb 8th on Flipkart as well as on retail stores. So this is the blue variant, or rather the dashing blue variant, and the pricing will be 19,999. So that's all with unboxing and hands-on with the Oppo F5. So we also done a detailed video on the review of this device. You can also check out other videos of the Oppo F5. So this is Normal signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.